Hello and welcome everybody to an unboxing. Something exciting. It's an airsoft gun, you can see right here. Let's do some of this stuff. Before we open it, 400 FPS. What's the power on this? 0.9 joules it says. Maximum range, 140 feet. Yeah, that's with a with a tailwind maybe. Length, weight. All right, so interesting spring-powered airsoft gun. I purchased this with my own money off of Amazon. And look at these huge warnings. Be sure to 18 years of old, you need, yeah, all right. So be safe, wear safety glasses, keep it away from kids. Sure, open this bad boy up and see what it looks like. It's so funny when my son saw this, he's like, FN218. I was like, no, you're thinking of something else. This is a SCAR. And guess what? We didn't drop $2,000 for this. It's on Amazon. It's much less than that. Let's see if this thing will open. Come on. See, as soon as you put something on camera, it's like it gets stage fright. It's like, oh, normally we open real quick, but on stage, in front of the camera, we can't do it. Oh, look at this. Always be familiar with safety protocols. I'm a big fan of safety. You guys know that. Don't point that. Yeah, come on, please. Don't point it at, yeah. Just be safe, all right? That's all it's saying. It's funny when people bark at the safety. It's like, you guys know what you're getting into. Be safe. Oh, look at this. There are some nice Picatinny rails right here. It's spring action, so is there a magazine here? Where is it? Oh, here it is down here. It's right here. There we go. All right. Oh, look, I see some BBs in through here too. Can you get those out here? All right. Some nice green BBs. And let's see, this should just flip out like that. There we go. Pretty secure for a little airsoft gun. So like I was saying, it's spring action, so there's no loading of CO2. It should just cock with this right here. Magazine right here. Beautiful. This looks like a fun little airsoft gun. We need to say, should we put like a massive scope on here? Because we're shooting at long range of like 10 feet. No, we're not going to do that. I did pull out an old favorite, if you guys follow the channel. What, your old aim red dot? Yeah, hopefully this thing still works. We'll throw this on here and we're going to do some shooting. But I just want to have a quick look here. I like all the rails they put on this. It's like there's vertical grip right here. It's a little wobbly. We'll see about that. On the side here, all the way across the top, they have fold-up sights. Do I want to use fold-up sights that come with it, or should I use the red dot? Maybe both. We'll see. On this side, we're looking at an ambidextrous. Wait a second. How come this one moves? But how come this one didn't move? What? This is cosmetic, so it's not ambidextrous. All right, so you know. Right-handers only. Obviously there's no, this is a brass deflector, so obviously there's no brass flying out of here, so another cosmetic thing right here. This is the mag release, that works. Look how awesome this is, and some more rail on the right portion. Beautiful. And this is where on a real SCAR you would have your gas system. So, SCARs are what, piston driven, is that correct? Leave a comment in the comments below. Does this, I want to know if this adjusts. Oh, it does. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. So you have an adjustable stock. I knew it. See, yeah. We'll leave it like that for now. So there we have it. I'm going to throw this red dot on and set up a range, and we're going to give this thing a first shoot. Be sure to subscribe. You can always visit my Amazon shop if you would like to see this gun or other airsoft guns. In the description, I'll leave a link to my Amazon affiliate account. I am an Amazon associate because I am an influencer on YouTube, so I will make some proceeds off of qualifying purchases. Please subscribe if you like this content. Thank you so much for watching. My name is John Hobby.